The Supreme Court has declined a suit seeking to stop the planned probe of 96 billion naira fraud allegedly involving the former Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi, during his time as the Rivers State Governor. Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, run to the subscribe button and click on it. Join this amazing community we have here. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the details of today's news. While dismissing the suit on Friday, the appellant court in an unanimous judgment by a five-man panel of justices submitted that there was no justification to stop the probe of the All Progressive Congress presidential aspirant. Amechi's suit has the High Court of Rivers State and Court of Appeal had earlier been dismissed, prompting his case at the Supreme Court. He is seeking to stop a probe into the alleged 96 billion naira sale of assets belonging to Rivers State. The incumbent governor, Nelson Wike, had constituted a seven-man probe panel to probe Amechi over the sale of assets. Wike asked the panel to look into the lawful or otherwise sales of valuable assets of the state. The listed valuable assets are Omoko Gas Turbine, Afam Gas Turbine, Trans Amadi Gas Turbine, Elime Gas Turbine, Olympia Hotel, and the award of contracts for the execution of monorail project. However, Justice Adamu Joro, who read the lead judgment on Friday, held that Amechi's appeal lacked merit and dismissed it. The court also ordered Amechi to face the probe panel that was set up by the Rivers State government to investigate his 8-year tenure as governor of the state. The court also fined the presidential aspirant 1 million. Wow. A round of applause for the judge that sat for this case. This is an excellent one because number one, why would you run away from from a probe that wants to probe your 8-year tenure as a governor if you do not have any skeleton in your cupboard, if you're actually 100% sure that you did not do dirty, you did not do anything that would warrant you to be jailed or that would warrant you to be prosecuted, why would you be afraid? Why would you start running from pillar to post? Why would you start running from helter skelter just because the incumbent governor wants to probe your tenure as a president, as the governor, pardon me, as the ex-governor of the state? Why? If there if there wasn't actually, some element of fact in that, why would you run away? 96 billion naira fraud. This man knows that once the probe starts, once they start, in looking into his tenure and all that, once they start investigating, they are going to find something, and it is going to affect his 2023 ambition to become the Nigerian's president. So he's running from one place to the other. And this is another thing that I have realized about all these people that is going from one public office to the other that do not want to leave power. The thing is, they know what they've done. They know they have stolen public funds. They know they've stolen money. So And they also know about the immunity that their office holds. They know that once they are in office, they have that immunity for the number of years they are going to spend in office. They also know that once they are still in office, they still get favors here and there from people. They know that as soon as they leave that office, they do not have as much privilege as they would have if they are in office. So these people just want to continue staying in office forever. If they can do it, they will just be in office forever because they know the value of that immunity that they have. They know that they will be untouchable. Nobody will want to investigate them. Nobody will want to probe them. That is why they keep, from governor, minute to minister, from minister to House of Senate, to House of Rep, to becoming president. They know what it entails. They know, and they already know what they've done. That is why this man, nobody is pursuing him. He's running after scatter. Rotimi Amechi, running from pillar to post, all because an incumbent governor wants to probe your regime, wants to look into the number of the assets, the state assets that is sold during his time. He knows that he has misappropriated the funds of the state. He knows he has done anyhow. He knows that once they start looking, they must surely find something. So he's running here and there. He's going from one court to the other. You can imagine. Ha. These are politicians. May God help us, because I don't even understand. Eh? They are just trying to cover their crimes, and I know that Nelson Wike will not stop. Nelson Wike will not stop until he finds something on Amechi. He will not stop until he finds what he is looking for. Rotimi Amechi also knows this. That is why he doesn't even want them to start their investigation at all, not to talk of waiting until they find something. Let me know what you think in the comment section, my people. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please and please make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button. Most importantly, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post. We still have more great news coming your way today. Please stay with us.